Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the tarball with exercises for the course using Python in HPC environment for the Rackham HPC cluster. We need to download, or in short terms, we need to download a file and unzip it or unpack it or extract it. So let's take a look at the procedure. First we take a look what we need to do a bit, and then I'll do it. So first, if there's a project folder, navigate to your project folder. So for this course we've made a project folder for you. Rackham uses project folders, so we do that. We navigate to that project folder. We create a folder for ourselves that we have our own subfolder in it, and we go inside that folder. After this we download the tarball, we download the big file with files in it, and then we uncompress it, we unzip it, we unpack it, that we can see the files. And then we navigate to the through the folders to see what's there. That's a procedure. Let's start at 1. And of course you need to be logged into Rackham, else you can't go to your project folder. I'm going to move this to the left, and I'm going to put Rackham here at the right there. I'm already logged in. Let's make it clean again. So we need to navigate to our project folder with cd, which is change directory. Where is that project folder? Well, there's a link here to all our NAISS projects and their folders. And with NAISS projects, I mean the projects we've made for the course, for this course, that you can use to try out things. And also we have our folders here. So this is the folder we'll be using for Rackham. I already write down cd and that name just so that I remember. Taking a look at the answer, you'll see exactly the same thing. So this is what you should conclude. And when I run that, I am in this folder now. Here we need to create a folder for ourselves, and we do that using makedir. And my name is Richel, so I change it. I do makedir Richel. Step 3 is navigate inside that folder, so we do cd Richel, and there I have my own folder. We're gonna get the tarball. Well, we'll just copy paste this command. There, paste. And now we have downloaded the tarball. We've put the tarball, this big thing file, on Rackham. We need to uncompress it, so also copy this command. You can also use Ctrl+Shift+V here. And there we have extracted the files that are in it. To navigate through it, we use cd. And I use tab to autocomplete. So already pressing tab here gives me exercises, which indicates there's only one folder here called exercises. If I press tab again, it shows there's one folder in it called exercises. If I press tab, I hear a sound. If I press tab twice, I see all the folders I can choose from. This is Rackham, so I go into the UPPMAX folder and double check there's nothing in there. At least there's no folder in it. I go in here, and if I do ls to list all the files, I see all the scripts to be used on Rackham. So in that way we can navigate through our folder. With that, I have just shown you how to use the tarball with exercises for this course for the Rackham HPC cluster. And with that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!